already know what simple past tense is, right? I played, I went there, I woke up at 6 o'clock. All these are simple past. You already know simple past is formed as subject plus verb second form. Now I will tell you how to form past perfect. Subject plus had plus past participle. Verb third form. Examples: she had walked, he had gone. Sometimes we have 2 or 3 things in the past and we need to explain which one happens first and which one happens second in the past. So there we use past perfect. If there are 2 events in the past, we use past perfect for the event which happens first. For example, suppose there are 2 events here. Amit stepped outside. It started to rain. Now I just used the past simple for both of these events. We don't know which event happened first, right? All we know is that both events happened in the past. These are 2 separate sentences and there is no relationship between these 2 sentences. Same thing can be written as Amit had just stepped outside when it started to rain. Which one came first? Of course, Amit stepped outside, as this is in past perfect form, as this event contains had, and then after it started to rain. When 2 or more events began and finished in the past, the past perfect tells us which event came first. Past perfect tense is the past of the past. We often use the past perfect simple in clauses connected by a conjunction. 2 clauses containing a verb in the past simple. Let's take an example of 2 events. Both of them happened in the past, but one happened before the other. Example 1. We arrived at the station. This is a past simple tense. Example 2. The train left. This is also a past simple tense. These are 2 separate sentences and therefore we just use the past simple tense. There is no relationship between these 2 sentences. They are complete in themselves. Even if I joined these 2 sentences like this, when we arrived at the station, the train left. And I'm going to ask you which action occurred first. You cannot answer it correctly. But if I write something like this, when we arrived at the station, the train had left. When we arrived at the station, we discovered that the train had left. So first, the train left. How we made out the first action is train left? Because it contains or it has formed with had in it, which says it is past perfect, and we know that we use past perfect for the event which happens first. Let's take a timeline for clear understanding. Let's draw a timeline. This is the present. The left side of the present is the past and the right side of the present is the future. Let's take an example. Sujit went home at 7 p.m. So what tense it is? It is past simple tense. the left side of the present is all in the past. But what happens if we have something that happened before Sujit went home? Suppose he had gone to restaurant at 6 p.m. This is called the past perfect, as it contains had gone. So all of this is the past, but we have past simple tense, and everything before the past tense is past perfect. So we establish a time in the past, and then everything before this time is past perfect. Let's compare another example. Rahul polished his car when his dad came home. Which event came first? Did Rahul polish his car first, or did his dad come home? Both events here are in the simple past. So here it is difficult to say which events happened first. Now let's look at the same example using the past perfect. Rahul had polished his car when his dad came home. We know instantly through the use of past perfect that the first event was polishing the car. Rahul did this first and then his dad came home. Let's see other example. I had washed the dishes when Meena came into the kitchen. We use the past perfect simple when we want to draw attention to the fact that something took place and finished before something else in the past. We know from this example that washing the dishes came first. After the dishes were washed, Meena came into the kitchen. Her coming into the kitchen was the second event. I had washed the dishes is the past perfect tense. Meena came into the kitchen is past simple tense. Let's see some more examples. She had studied English before she moved to California. Radha had just finished her paper when the time went off. After she had moved out, I found her diary. Rohan had gone out when I arrived in the office. I didn't say anything until she had finished talking. Complete the following sentences using past perfect tense form. If he dash in time, he would have got the job. Here we have to use the verb apply. So what will be the answer? If he had applied in time, he would have got the job. She dashed in Delhi before she went to Bangalore. Here we have to use the verb live. So what will be the answer? She had lived in Delhi before she went to Bangalore. Thank you.